Hi everyone, this is Pam from Kelly's Thoughts on Things, and today we're looking at a product called Aqua Elegant. You can get this on Amazon. Alright, so this is a 6-function luxury shower head. And see how nice that is? It's not too complex, and 6 is perfect. Sometimes I like to have, just a straight water hit right in the back of my neck, and that is really nice. But anyways, they give some really great directions. Seems to be very simple. And then they gave the tape. And what I like also is this 5-year 100% money back satisfaction guarantee. Now this is good customer service. And like I said, you can get this off of Amazon right there. And you can also read our review on Kelly's Thoughts on Things. Okay, thank you.